Hi guys, just a quick help video for Recipe to Riches Part G. So Part G, the first part says how many full priced items you would need to sell to make a profit. Well, if you think about that, if you've got your total cost price and you divide that by your selling price for each, that is going to tell you the total price, the total number that you need to make a profit. So that's all you have to do. Part 2, you have to think about discount strategies. So you've got to think about 3 discount strategies you could have. They could be things like 2 for the price of 1, buy one get one free, 10% off every 10 minutes. You think about it. Be creative. Think about different discount strategies. Then part 3 is a slightly more tricky one where you have to calculate the markup and then the profit as a percentage of your sale price. So remember, your markup is going to be your profit divided by your cost times 100 times 100. So firstly, of course, with a markup, you're going to have to calculate the profit, and then you can use, because I used 26 cents there, I do the next part. So if I go on to a potential discount strategies, say I've got my slice costs $1 and I have a deal where customers can buy 2 for $1.50. So what is my profit? Well, my profit is going to be, that's my original selling price, by the way. My cost price for that was, 62 cents. All right. So my profit, how am I going to calculate that? Well, remember, profit is going to equal the selling price, take the cost price. So your selling price is $1.50. Your cost price, you can go, oh, it's 62 cents. It's not quite 62 cents because now you're selling 2. So your cost price for 2 is going to be $1.24. $1.24. So then we go 150 take 124, and that gives us 26 cents. 26 cents, and then so our markup is going to be 26 over 124 times by 100. Notice, because I used 26 cents, that I therefore used both in cents. If you calculate that, you get 21% markup. Alright, so that's one potential example. Then if you're doing the profit as a percentage of the sale price, you're just going to go your profit divide by a sale price times 100. So in this case, that's going to equal 26 over your selling price. So your selling price is going to be this 1.24 times 100. And that would be your answer. Oh, actually, sorry, selling price wasn't 124, was it? It was 150 up here. So that would be divided by 1.5. And because we're doing it in dollars, we're just going to make that 150, not 1.5. Okay, so I hope that helps with those parts.